guys, welcome back to another video. I'm literally tired of taking so many takes, for shooting this intro I took a lot of takes. Hopefully this should work. Anyways, this video is about my sister's home tour, which I'm very excited to show about. Actually, I was about to post this video a very long time ago, but the pandemic happened and I could not. But yeah, this is the time. Yeah, my sister got this house in the year 2019 when she was 24, which makes it so much special. And hopefully I'll buy my own house someday and show it to you guys. Yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's just quickly dive into the video. Let's go. Welcome home. So, where do I start from? Okay, take a look at the room first. It's very different because it's all golden and it's quite risky to take such bright colors, to be honest. My sister likes a very princessy kind of thing, so she wanted all kind of chandeliers and stuff. So that's the reason she took this color. So okay, let me start with this sofa first. And this was actually just for around 25,000 or something, but when you see it on any other sites, it's actually much on the expensive side. But my sister is the one girl who actually takes everything in offers, or if it's expensive, she does make it customized. So this one is actually customized. She went to a store, a sofa store, which was because of the city, and she got it at a very cheap price. And then comes this carpet. She took it in a mail or something, and it was around 4,000 to 5,000. I'll put everything, the prices, I don't know exact prices, so I'll put everything in description if you want. And yeah, the wall, it is so beautiful again. Actually, everything is printed, all the four sides, because most of the houses choose to have one wall printed and all the three walls to be plain. But she wanted everything, again, the princessy kind of a look. So she wanted this print on every side, and which turned out very beautiful again. Now coming towards this TV, again, I don't know price, but yeah, this is from Samsung and she got it from Chroma, I guess. And plus this TV stand that you're watching, this was actually the chappal ka stand at our Latu's house, but my dad suggested that it would go really well with this whole look. So yeah, this is a chappal ka stand which turned out to be a TV stand. Yeah, and this watch is from Home Center. Again, it goes very well with the color theme. So yeah, that looks very royal rich again. And yeah, coming towards this side of the room, these are the curtains, which are a little expensive. This cost around 10 to 12,000, I guess. But the quality and the material, again, it is golden to go on with the whole theme of the room. So yeah, this is all about hall, guys, living room. So let's come. And actually she wanted chandeliers and stuff, but because the pandemic happened and everything was so disturbed, so she couldn't actually make things work out. But definitely now the lockdown is open, and yeah, we are working on everything right now. So let's come. So this is the kitchen room, which is quite big. Yeah, actually there's a lot of empty space here. You can actually put dining table, but yeah, we didn't put it right now. So yeah, coming towards this side, this is again fridge. Again, I said वो उसको discount में चाहिए रहता है सब कुछ. She'll never buy it on the proper pricing. She got it on Christmas deal for around it was actually 40,000, I guess. She got it around 25,000 something. Everything on sale. So yeah, that's with the fridge. And this is the kitchen part, which is L-shaped. And the trolleys that you're looking right here, these are actually temporary basis में storage के लिए रखा है. But she wanted something, again the theme based कुछ करना था उसको. But as of now, just for the storage, we have took this plain basic brown color wala. Again, the funny part is they are only for 22,000. She does this lot of design. I think she went again outskirts of the city. She finds different kind of places which gives her the best deals ever. This is just for 22,000, guys. And yeah, and when you see on the kitchen thing, this is NutriCook wala air fryer. Again, she's a little health conscious, dieting. And this is a food processor which we just got it like recently. And yeah, this is a water purifier at the top. And this side, when you see, it's a again like a storage space wala room, but she wants to break this and she wants to expand the kitchen. And this is a washing machine, and this is all storage wala things. Okay, and when you take a look at this carpet was gifted by her friend who lives in Iran. It's a handmade carpet actually, which was made by her father. Again, very beautiful, goes everything very well. So again, this I forgot to show you this one. This is like a devghar. You say every house a place for God, so that's this thing. And yeah, I guess that completes the whole kitchen look. The kitchen, guys, let's go to that. This is not actually the bedroom. That is the bedroom, the master bedroom, whereas the other one, actually it's a 2 BHK house. The other one she made as a workspace where she works, does her makeup, she follows her passion, everything goes really. So this is the workspace come bedroom maybe. So yeah, this right here is the storage space, again a cupboard, which costed around 15,000 I guess. Yeah, that's with this. When you come around, yeah, I'll show you the curtains. Yahan pe again you can see to that side, it's a huge balcony. I'll show you just in a moment. It actually extends throughout. So yeah, these are the curtains. And yeah, when it comes to this side, this is her whole workspace. When you see this table, is the again a table which when you see on Instagram, it's all Instagram kind of a look, just lights are not there. Well, this table she got it for around 6,000 or something. Again, she made a lot of jugaad and customized. Everything is customized. And this is a mirror where she works. She has a lot of makeup. I'm not even going to show. She has a bunch of makeup. Well, this is a workspace where she works. Then yeah, my sister has this habit of reading all the religious books, not just Hinduism. She reads every kind of religious books, Christian ho ya Quran ho, Bible, sab kuch wo padegi. She loves reading religious books, and she'll take good things from everything. She's not like very biased to certain religion. She's just taking good things from all the religious books, which is very good. And this is a ring light. Basically, she shoots a lot of Instagram reels and makeup ka videos and a lot of photo shoots also sometimes. So she uses this light for that. And yeah, I guess that completes the whole room. Yeah, this is just a spare bed niche if any sort of guest comes to your room. That's it. I guess yeah, let's go to the master bedroom. So this is the basin, guys. This is an inverter, and there are 2 bathrooms. This master bedroom has an attached bathroom, where this one is another bathroom. This is the master bedroom, you guys. The whole theme of the room is blue color. Well, where do I start from? Okay, let's start from the storage area. Again, the same sort of cupboard that you saw in that room. Again, 15,000. When you see the curtains, blue, because the theme of the room is blue color. So again, the curtains blue. I don't know the cost of this. I'll put everything in the description if you want. Well, okay, this bed looks very royal. I like this kundan wala bed every time, but this bed has a very good story to it. This is actually the reused, actually customized. मतलब पुराना bed को ही हमने उसको ये किया है. पुराना bed हम लोग actually फेंकने वाले थे, but my sister took that and she like literally renovated kind of thing, and she turned it out to be a very beautiful bed. And when you come to this mattress, this is from Wakefit, which is an orthopedic bed, I guess, and एकदम soft है, एकदम hotel वाली feel आती है. Actually, my dad doesn't like such kind of soft kind of a mattresses. He likes very stiff, but yeah, मुझे और मेरी दीदी को काफी अच्छा लगता है, soft, आराम से नींद आती है. And yeah, this completes the whole bed, I guess. When coming towards this side of the room, it's a mirror, and this is an attached bathroom. The reason behind getting this house was actually It has a huge, massive balcony, which was the one thing that attracted us to get this house, because in her budget in Pune, like cities, to get such a huge amount of space is actually rare. But we got it in a pretty good deal. So come on, I'll take you to the balcony. Right now, so I'll be showing you like a quick thing, but I'll also add a clip which I took it in the morning. So yeah, come. This is the massive, huge balcony, guys. It's so huge, and you have number of plants right here. And this one is the section जहाँ पे एक झूला लगाया गया है. My dad actually loves झूला, so it was his idea to put this. Actually, we're trying to break this thing and make it again the big one. See guys, the society is very, very beautiful. It's all green, lush green. Well, you can see right in the front there's a cricket area, and yeah, there's a clubhouse, there's a gym area, where right at the entrance there are a lot of commercial things like grocery stores and everything. So basically, overall, the society is so calming, very huge, nice, beautiful. So yeah, and talking about the security, guys, it's very strict. मतलब if you have to enter, you have to get security तुम्हारा number वगैरह लेगा, photos लेगा, identity proof लेगा, and then they're going to send it to the people who live here. If they approve, then only you are actually going to have an entry. So there's a street also, you're actually not allowed inside. There's a access card at the lift. If you have that card, then only the lift is going to open for you, or else you're just gonna get stuck below. So security wise, it's a check, no problem at all. So I guess that's it for the video. I hope you liked the home tour video, and yeah, if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and yeah, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.